The Richest Man in Babylon. Imagine a world where the secrets to financial success are told through parables as old as time. A world where wisdom isn't locked behind bookshelves or pricey seminars, but shared openly in the bustling streets of an ancient city. Welcome to Babylon, where we meet Arkad, the richest man of his time, and learn how his simple yet profound lessons can transform your financial destiny. Today, we'll uncover the core principles of George S. Clayson's The Richest Man in Babylon, breaking it down into relatable, actionable steps. By the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint for building your own wealth, no matter where you're starting. Let's dive in. Part 1. Intro and the Tale of Arkad. Imagine a world where the secrets to financial success are told through parables as old as time. A world where wisdom isn't locked behind bookshelves or pricey seminars, but shared openly in the bustling streets of an ancient city. Welcome to Babylon, a land of prosperity and opportunity, where we meet Arkad, the richest man of his time. His journey from humble beginnings to immense wealth offers invaluable lessons that can transform your financial destiny. Arkad's story begins in the heart of Babylon, a thriving metropolis known for its impressive architecture, bustling markets, and vibrant culture. It was a place where merchants traded goods, and the air was filled with the sounds of haggling and laughter. Yet amidst the wealth and opportunity, Arkad found himself struggling to make ends meet. Like many of his fellow citizens, he faced the daily challenges of financial insecurity, wondering how he could escape the cycle of poverty. One pivotal day, feeling the weight of his financial burdens, Arkad asked himself a question that would change his life forever. Why do some people succeed financially while others don't? This question ignited a spark of curiosity within him, leading him on a quest for knowledge and understanding. He realized that if he wanted to change his circumstances, he needed to seek out wisdom from those who had already achieved the success he desired. Determined to find answers, Arkad sought out Algamish, a wealthy moneylender renowned for his financial acumen and success in managing wealth. Algamish was known throughout Babylon for his ability to grow his fortune and help others do the same. Arkad approached him with humility, ready to learn the secrets that had eluded him for so long. During their meeting, Algamish shared a piece of advice that resonated deeply with Arkad. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. This simple yet profound principle became the cornerstone of Arkad's financial philosophy. It was a revelation that opened his eyes to the importance of saving and financial discipline. Algamish explained that regardless of how much one earns, the key to wealth is to consistently set aside a portion of one's income. From that moment on, Arkad made a vow to himself. He would save at least 10% of all he earned. He understood that this was not merely about accumulating wealth. It was about developing a mindset of abundance and discipline. Arkad learned to live within his means, prioritizing his needs over his wants. He began to track his expenses meticulously, identifying areas where he could cut back without sacrificing his quality of life. As Arkad implemented this principle, he experienced a gradual transformation. His savings began to grow, and with it, his confidence. He realized that wealth wasn't just about having a large income. It was about making smart decisions with the resources available to him. Arkad's journey was not just about accumulating wealth. It was about changing his mindset and developing habits that would serve him for a lifetime. Arkad's newfound financial discipline attracted attention. His friends and neighbors noticed the changes in his life and began to ask him for advice. They were curious about how he managed to save money while still enjoying life. Arkad, eager to share what he had learned, began to teach others the principles of saving and financial management that had transformed his life. Through his journey, Arkad became a beacon of hope for those around him. He demonstrated that anyone, regardless of their starting point, could achieve financial success through discipline, knowledge, and the willingness to learn. His story serves as a timeless reminder that the path to wealth is not reserved for the fortunate few. It is available to all who are willing to take the first step. As we continue to explore the lessons from Arkad's life, we will uncover the practical steps he took to build his wealth and the timeless principles that can guide us in our own financial journeys. Let's delve deeper into the wisdom of the richest man in Babylon and discover how we can apply these lessons to our modern lives.